This video is all about crypto wallets. I'll be sharing with you what they are, how they work, why they're important, and what options are available to you for storing your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safely and securely. So let's get into it. So what is a cryptocurrency wallet and why is it important? A crypto wallet, or e-wallet, also known as an electronic wallet, is a device, program, or service that stores your cryptocurrency. These wallets are designed to keep your crypto safe. Many first-time investors make the mistake of leaving their crypto on exchanges rather than transferring them into a wallet. This is risky because when your crypto is stored on an exchange, your information is also stored on that exchange's web servers, making it easier for hackers to gain access to your account and withdraw your balance. So by moving your crypto from an exchange to a crypto wallet, you greatly enhance the security of your investment because your wallet sensitive information is then stored on your computer, phone, or hardware device. That's the way we do it, and that's the way we recommend all our clients do it. Get your crypto into a secure crypto wallet. So what kind of sensitive information are we talking about here? Well, we're talking about public keys and private keys. These keys can be stored on a physical device, such as a phone, your laptop, or a ledger. Got my ledger handy here. They can be stored on a web browser, or they can be stored through a web hosting server. And these keys are used to track and verify ownership of your cryptocurrency, along with giving you the ability to receive, send, and sell your crypto. So let's take a deeper dive now into the difference between public and private keys to understand what they are and how they work. So what is a public key? Your public key can be referred to as a wallet address, and it allows for the transferring of crypto from you to somebody else or vice versa. Public keys are forward-facing, which means it's okay to show them to anyone. It's totally okay. We're going to learn how to transfer crypto from one wallet address to another using your public keys in a future lesson. But for now, let's have a look at private keys so we can understand the differences. So a private key can be described as a large secret number that allows Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency to be unlocked and sent. You don't actually need to know this large secret number because when you create a wallet, you will receive a 12 to 24 word seed phrase. It is this seed phrase that grants access to your private keys, meaning whoever has your seed phrase has access to your crypto wallet and all the assets held within it. So never share it with anyone, never store it on your computer or anywhere online, and always write it down on a piece of paper, old school, and put it someplace safe where you're not going to lose it. This is vitally important because if something happens to your device that you're using to store your crypto, such as you lose your phone or your laptop breaks, you will need your seed phrase to recover your crypto wallet. If you've lost your seed phrase, there's no way to recover your wallet. This is what happens when we become our own bank, and in the wise words of Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. Okay, so that's a lot of wallet information. Let's sum up everything that we just learned together. We discovered that a crypto wallet is a device, program, or service that stores your cryptocurrency. We've learned that e-wallets are designed to keep your crypto safe by getting it off exchanges and into more secure methods of storage, such as a crypto wallet. We learned about the differences between public and private keys. Public keys are forward-facing and it's okay to share these keys with anyone, whereas private keys are used to verify ownership of crypto and are synonymous with your wallet seed phrase. With the wallet seed phrase, let us remember to never share it with anyone, to always write it down, store it offline, and do not lose it. So congratulations, you are now a crypto wallet pro.